US-Iran War Update 2026. NATO refugees. US takes action. Big update coming in from the Middle East. The US-Iran conflict is no longer just about attacks and retaliation. Now NATO has stepped back and the United States is taking matters into its own hands. Is this the beginning of a bigger war or a strategic power shift? Let us break down the latest development. In the most recent development, tensions between the United States and Iran have escalated further. Iran has continued its aggressive posture in the Gulf region with threats to key oil routes and strategic assets. Meanwhile, the United States has increased its military presence, deploying additional naval forces and strengthening air defense system in the region. But the biggest twist, NATO is not fully backing a direct military escalation. In a surprising move, NATO members have shown reluctance to get directly involved in a potential war against Iran. Several European countries are pushing for diplomacy instead of military action. Their concern is clear. A full-scale war in the Middle East could destabilize global market, disrupt energy supplies, and trigger a wider conflict. This hesitation means the US may not have full allied military support. If the situation worsens, with NATO stepping back, the United States is now taking independent initiative. This includes increasing naval deployment in the Persian Gulf, strengthening alliances with regional partners, boosting surveillance and defense systems at the same time. The US is also exploring diplomatic channels, trying to prevent a full-scale war while maintaining pressure on Iran. This dual strategy, military readiness plus diplomacy, shows that the US is preparing for all scenarios. One of the biggest concerns right now is the Strait of Hormuz. Iran has hinted that it could disrupt this critical oil route. For countries like India, which depend heavily on oil import, this situation could lead to higher fuel prices and inflation. Globally, trade routes and supply chains could also face disruptions if the conflict spreads. One thing is certain, this is no longer just a regional issue. With NATO hesitant and the US moving forward independently, the balance of power in the Middle East could shift dramatically. The coming days are critical. Some reports on social media are claiming that a US general has resigned over the Iran situation, but as of now there is no official confirmation of this. Thank you.